know how about you, but I used to always love to play with those toys that were related to the army, soldiers and cars, inventing stories and eventually following those stories. And right now I can easily extend that pleasure by having a remote control army truck that was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but of course, this is my own opinion on this masterpiece. Eventually with a remote control that you can easily use in order to navigate the truck, turn the wheels right and left and eventually go straight or back. Of course, this one is very sensitive in that matter, but you're going to be able to easily adjust the speed to that depending on the situation, if you're riding indoor or outdoor, because you're going to be able to easily do so. And of course, the details. We have an enormous amount of details from every side. And of course, some shovels in order for you to dig into the sand, or eventually close the window in order to use it as an on-field truck. But eventually comes with a roof that you can easily also assemble just in case you want to change the look of that. I'm in love with the details, I'm in love with this truck, and I love playing with it. No matter if I sit in my couch at home or eventually play outdoor with it. I'm telling you guys, if you're looking for an outstanding truck for yourself, which eventually has an enormous amount of details, even the battery is hidden under the trunk of the car in order for you to easily replace it or eventually charge it. I'm telling you, this is something with something, and definitely a recommendation from me.